This is another one of my favorite things. Like I said, I just invest in a ton of these rechargeable batteries, and I bought it with the charger here, and it takes two to charge up, but yeah, I mean, you can do 8 of them. You can also do the double A's, fit in this slot. So you can do double A and triple A. And like I said, I invested in a bunch of these because I have a lot of camera equipment, and some of these things, like this runs on batteries, this runs on double A batteries. So yeah, I need to make sure I have enough power and not worry about it. And that comes in really handy, even with some of my other gadgets and things that I have around here. And like I said, you always need batteries for something. Even in my remotes, I use these for my remotes. Remote battery dies, whatever. Take it out, recharge it, put in some more. And this is a great product, 5 stars. And they charge fast, and the charge stays, you know, even when it's not in use. So this can sit here for a few months and I still have a pretty fully charged battery ready to go. And so, yeah, I mean, I don't know how anyone can live without these. I don't even know why you would even have disposable batteries like these anymore anyway. Just throw these away.